Pre-Columbian America, the first humans arrived in the Americas thousands of years ago, and over time, they developed a wide variety of cultures and societies. These cultures were eventually destroyed or displaced by the arrival of Europeans in the 15th century. New York City. New York City is a global center of finance, culture, media, and art. It is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in the world, including the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, and the Empire State Building. San Francisco, California. San Francisco is a beautiful city known for its steep hills, cable cars, and Golden Gate Bridge. It is also home to many popular tourist attractions, such as Alcatraz Island, Fisherman's Wharf, and Chinatown. The Grand Canyon, Arizona. The Grand Canyon is one of the most popular natural wonders in the world. It is a vast canyon carved by the Colorado River, and it is home to a variety of plants and animals. For Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States. It is home to many important government buildings, such as the White House, the Capitol Building, and the Supreme Court. Yosemite National Park, California. Yosemite National Park is a beautiful park known for its towering granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoia trees. It is a popular destination for hiking, camping, and rock climbing. 6. Orlando, Florida. Orlando, popular tourist destination known for its theme parks, such as Walt Disney World and Universal Studios. It is also home to many other attractions, such as SeaWorld and the Kennedy Space Center. Las Vegas, Nevada. Las Vegas is a city known for its casinos, hotels, and entertainment. It is a popular destination for people who want to gamble, party, and see shows. New Orleans, Louisiana. New Orleans is a city known for its unique culture, food, and music. It is home to the French Quarter, Bourbon Street, and Mardi Gras. Hawaii. Hawaii is a state in the Pacific Ocean. It is known for its beautiful beaches, volcanoes, and rainforests. Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles is a city known for its film industry, beaches, and diversity. It is home to Hollywood, Disneyland, and Universal Studios Hollywood.